You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this very confusing word. How do you go about pronouncing this? Well, it's actually not that bad. Let's learn and clarify the pronunciation. If you want to learn more medical terms, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you you'll want to listen to and learn from. British English pronunciation: puerperal. Puerperal. Puerperal, with a stress on that pe syllable. Now, the American English pronunciation is quite similar. Pure, the R is pronounced a bit differently. Puerperal. American English pronunciation: puerperal. British English: puerperal. Can you hear the difference? Was this any useful? Let me know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.